Order, order, order.
Law as a profession demands more courage, determination, extraordinary intellect and deep passion than any other profession. It offers new kinds of challenges almost daily. Vikram Singh Chauhan joined this challenging profession with the same passion, zeal and devotion to serving society and the nation in the best possible way. In this coronavirus epidemic time, challenges are many and crises are uncountable. But if a person like Vikram Singh Chauhan lends his hands to the needy, it undoubtedly results in a successful endeavor. The story of his attraction towards the law profession goes back to his school days when he used to interact with practicing lawyers to gain knowledge and insight. He is a product of Central School Rewari, Haryana and Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak, where he obtained his Bachelor in Law degree. Though his family background was of the Indian Army, his father had served the nation with his utmost sincerity and bravery as a passionate and dedicated soldier during the 1971 India-Pakistan War. Vikram Singh Chauhan has fought many cases successfully on behalf of his clients as a High Court lawyer. He prepares hard for every court case as it is the first one. His ideology of life is to serve humanity and the nation in the best possible way. One's work should bring smiles to the served people and could make parents proud of their achievements. He loves the democratic system of the nation but doesn't subscribe to any particular political party or ideology. His only motto of life is to bring smiles to the withered faces of the deprived people in society and do something for the betterment of the nation. His elder cousin Sanjay Singh is his role model. He is a member of the current Haryana Assembly and represents the Sohna constituency. He inspires him a lot, not only as an emulative leader, but as a great human being also. He had suddenly come in the news when he raised his voice against anti-national elements Tukde Tukde gang. As a social activist, his image gained another dimension. He abhors illiteracy and ignorance. And to bring the light of knowledge among the wanderers in the darkness of illiteracy, he started a literacy education program with zeal. His school opened the door of success for those wretched children who had no hope to reach any school at all due to their poverty, social stigmatization and ignorance. During the devastating onslaught of the first and second wave of the coronavirus, he did help the needy in the hour of crisis with day-to-day life materials and made them aware of its dangerous implications if one dares to ignore the corona protocols. Illiteracy among a large swathe of people, ongoing economic crisis, lack of empathy towards each other, unsatiated greed for material successes, black marketing of essential goods and medicines, and creating disharmony through false rumors are some of the ills and issues which disturbed him the most. His native state, Haryana, is politically, culturally, and economically quite sound. Here, people believe in peaceful coexistence and love and respect towards each other, irrespective of anyone's religious and cultural background. As a conscious and humble citizen of this country, he only aspires to do his best for his people. His success mantra is hard work, patience and perseverance in times of crisis and accumulating wisdom through personal and professional experiences. He believes that every failure is a stepping stone towards success.
देश की आज़ादी से लेकर और पुरानी काफ़ी लड़ाइयों में सामाजिक उसमें वकीलों का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। देश की आज़ादी में जो शीर्ष नेतृत्व था वकीलों ने किया है। आज भी देश के लिए, समाज के लिए जो कुछ लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं वकील ही कर रहे हैं। क्योंकि मैं एक फौजी का लड़का हूँ, मेरे फादर आर्मी में रहे हैं, 71 की वार में रहे हैं, मेरे दादाजी पुलिस में रहे हैं। तो एक परिवार में हम चीज़ देखते हैं कि समाज को कुछ देना है। मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अपना अपना टैक्स भरें, माँ अपने बच्चों से पूछे कि बेटा तू फ़ोन कहाँ से ला रहा है, तू पैसे कहाँ से कमा रहा है, और बच्चे भी कहीं ना कहीं अपने माँ बाप से पूछें कि पापा जी आप ये 2-2 3-3 प्लॉट ले रहे हो, जो ये आप कहाँ से ले रहे हो, क्या आपको सरकारी चोरी तो नहीं कर रहे। औरों को चोर बोलने से पहले खुद के अंदर जाके हम लोग, तब ये देश अच्छा बन पाएगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।